Hi guys, so I'm going to the spa. A friend of mine paid for a hammam session for me for my birthday. It's still my birthday week. If you know me very well, you should know how I celebrate my birthday every year. Like the whole week is my birthday. I take the whole week as my birthday. So I always try to do fun things throughout the week, and I have friends that wouldn't want to do anything with me on my birthday day, so they always like push some of our events to days following, because I've had different launch dates with different of my friends throughout this week. So today I chose today to go have my hammam birthday gift from my friend Erica. So I'm going to the spa now, but before then I'll go to the salon to get my hair done, because afterwards I should be going for the Rattle Snake premiere that's happening today in Abuja. It happened yesterday in Lagos, but it'll be happening today in Abuja, and a friend of mine wants me to go with them, so I'm going to get all dolled up for that, of course. So I'll go to the salon first before I go to the spa, and then I'm going to go to my designer shop to get my dress, and then I'll show you guys all the way. Okay, my face still looks a mess, but who cares? Makeup is going to cover it. Let's go. Recording. I'm telling you. Oh my god. Your hair looks nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, no, blonde. You're going to close this middle part that you did here, Naba. This is nice. Alright, bye. I don't know if I like this hair, or even if I don't think I have a choice right now. I'm just gonna carry it like that. I'll probably work on it more when I get back home. Oh yeah, this is what it looks like. Where? Okay. All right. So I'm done with the experience. This is not my first time getting a hammam, but I think I totally forgot how excruciatingly painful it can be. Even though, yeah, you get to see the dead cells and the dead skin, not skin on the scrubbing bench, and you get to see how much dead skin they take out of your body, but then it's damn painful. And this beautiful Moroccan lady was just asking me, "I too strong? I too strong?" No, sis, you were not harsh. You were really, really lenient. Anyways, I'm done with the hammam, the traditional hammam. So now I'll be going to my tailor's place to see what she's done with my dress. Okay, what do you think? Do I have any new glow after the hammam? Let's go. Running? Why are you running? Where is she running to? Come and give me my dress. You just be running like a thief. Where is she? I don't understand. You went to go and wear a wig. Hi. Check this flat tummy. Check it out. No, we're not doing that.
Look at me. Hey, but it's beautiful. But it's not bright. I saw.
I After 4 years of service, only one can for
Amazing.
Thank you. Tell your friends to tell their friends.
Of course.
Tomorrow, it releases in the cinemas. November 13th, Friday, I beg.
Everything. That was an amazing movie, if you ask me. Really amazing. I enjoyed it. I love the way it ended, if you ask me. You might say I like violence, but that made it realistic to me.
Well, in the meantime, first, thank you guys for taking your time to come out. Thank you, yes please. Thank you very much. Thank you for honoring our invitation. Secondly, I want to say a big thank you to my partner in crime, Charles Akaleke, who made this possible. Charles Akaleke, say something, Charles. You guys are probably, God bless you. You know, money guys have named a few words. They have too much money. Look at anyways, please let me introduce to you my actors. I know you've seen them. Ahana, please. Oh yeah. Ahana. They will have a moment. We say no, so. This imagination to reality more like Nicole! Without her, I'm not able to make this masterpiece. A few of my actors are not here, but let me ask you a very simple question. It's a very simple one. If I can get a moment of silence, please. I know you didn't enjoy the movie because of the characters, but besides that, pass on the message. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you guys, we're going to take them out right now.
Can we have one of them every time? No, I've already done that. Yes, I have. So this is the end of the vlog. If you watched up to this point, then you are the real OG. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up button. Click that thumbs up button, the one that has a hand that looks like it's raising the thumb up. Yeah, and then if you haven't subscribed, now would be a really good time to subscribe. Since you watched the end of the video, that means you enjoyed it, and that would be a little way of supporting this channel. Okay, I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.